Now we will move on to the next concept called as a data types. Data, sorry, I will write data types. What do you mean by data types? There are different types of the data we can define in a Python. Simple, I say like if I write age equal to 25, which type of data it is? Age is equal to 25. If I execute that, shift enter. Now if I check print, okay, I need to check the type of the data. Okay, what type of data it is? Type of the data. So I said type. Okay, print the type of the, again one more bracket, which one we are checking for age, which type of data it is. Shift enter. It says that integer is not being callable. So what we can do, we just say type. It says integer, means we are not able to print that inside the type also. Okay, we can say type of age, that is nothing but a integer, right? Similarly, if I say integer is nothing but whole number, if I try to do like this 25.345, like this, if I have shift enter, if I do type of age, now if I check, it says that float. In case I return this one in a quotation, shift enter, then if I, it says that string, means here we have been changed, just this change the form, our data type will be changed, right? Which are the data types we have? The one is a text, it is called as a str, string. Okay, the second data type is a numbers. Numbers can be categorized into a integer and float. Okay, the third data type will be the sequence. Okay, sequences are, can be list, means collection of the data. List, it can be, there we have a tuple and a range. Okay, then we have a mapping. Okay, mapping is nothing but a key value pair, which is called as a dictionary. Okay, dictionary. And we have one more called as a set. Okay, sets, we have a set. Okay, and we have one more data type called as a Boolean, that is nothing but a true should be in a capital here, T should be in a capital, true, false, T and F should be in a capital. This is nothing but a booleans, like we say bool. Okay, we say bool. These are the some of the data types, the popular data types. These are the types of data we use in a daily practice in a Python. One is a text, which is in a str. Numbers, nothing but a integer or float. It can be. We already learned how it will be changes. Like with the decimal means float, whole number means integer. Then sequences. When it comes to sequences, it can be a list, tuple, or range. Mapping means a dictionary format also we have. Sets are nothing but a, like I don't want to keep any duplicate values, then we go for the sets. Okay, we will learn in detail like each of the data type in detail we will learn. Just I have been given here what are the different types of the data types we will be having in our Python. Okay, these are the list of the data types we will be having, and how to work on those data type. To check any data type, we have to use a function called as a type. Okay, and these are the major data types we have. We will start discussing with a one by one, like we'll start with the numbers, then text, then sequences, mapping, booleans, all we will discuss one by one in coming sessions. Okay, these are the data types you need to remember. Okay, how they are working we will discuss in detail in coming sessions.